So how do you know if your website has technical errors? Well, for one, I would say make sure that you have Google Search Console, installed, right? So that you have an active account with that, because that is one of the only ways that you could actually communicate back and forth with Google. That's one of the tools that will alert you and let you know that there's some technical issues with your website. So you definitely should have an active account. You should be monitoring that. However, I would encourage you to do two things. A, familiarize yourself with like using third-party tools to look at like a health score of your website. Like there's SEMrush has like a health score tool. Ahrefs has a health score tool. There's probably other third-party tools that can kind of like report on some of the issues that you might be facing. Or if you really want to kind of geek out, there's tools that you can use that might be a little intimidating at first. One is called Screaming Frog, and that's an amazing tool. That's the tool that we use, and we basically crawl websites the same way that Google crawls websites, and we're able to kind of look at like all kinds of issues. I mean, it's like literally taking your car to a mechanic and they plug in that check engine light, and it literally tells you everything that's wrong with the site. Again, it might be a little bit intimidating or overwhelming to use a tool like that because you probably don't know like what are you looking at. But if you really want to learn it, there's some really good educational videos on YouTube that you can subscribe to and learn more.